Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Kajabi, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I've been getting a lot recently on my other video, and that is, how do you create a course on Kajabi? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create your course or digital product in Kajabi? Well, that's pretty easy. Kajabi is definitely one of the more popular softwares for creating and selling courses online. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually handled here in the Kajabi website. You can't do this in the Kajabi Creator app. You can also do this on the desktop, but I'm going to show you on my mobile. So first off, you do need to log into your Kajabi website account. So I'm already logged in, as you can see right here. Now here on the home screen, if you want to make an online course with Kajabi, first what you're going to want to do is click on this hamburger menu here on the top left. Once you're there, you will see a drop-down menu, and in order to create an online course in Kajabi, you need to click on products. It has a little square icon next to it. Okay, so here it will prompt you to go ahead and create what they call a product, which will be an online course. So just click on get started. Okay, so you have these various options and tools inside of Kajabi. Today we're going to create an online course. So don't worry about these buttons. You want to click on blue. It says course right underneath it. Also, if you need more information, you can see that the course product includes these types of features: video content, membership area. You can do exclusive downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and click on get started. Okay, so the cool thing about Kajabi is sometimes it will give you some prompts, or it's going to give you a layout, and that way you don't have to come up with everything completely from scratch. So here you want to go ahead and put in the title of your course or your digital product, and then a brief description. And then as you can see, Kajabi is going to use this information to generate a sample course outline. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the name of my course here on the title. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in the title of my course, and next I'm going to go ahead and enter in a description. Okay, so I went ahead and put a brief description of what my course is going to be about. Now, if you don't want Kajabi to generate an outline for your course, you can turn this button off. If you turn it off, it's going to be kind of like a light gray. If it's on, it's going to be black. All that looks good. Go ahead and click on this black continue button. Okay, so here you're going to want to put an image for your course. You can easily get this done on Fiverr, because this is what your course is going to be displayed as at checkout. So you can have it designed, like I said, in Fiverr or Upwork. Just do a keyword search for course cover or ebook cover. So I'm going to go ahead and enter an image here now. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I just entered in a general image. I'm going to click on upload file. Okay, so once your image for your digital course appears there, go ahead and click on this black continue button. Okay, so here you're going to need to enter in if it's going to be a paid course or a free course. Kajabi does let you know that they collect no fees on any payments, but you do need to collect your Stripe or your PayPal, and you would just click on this connect a payment provider if you haven't already done so, and then connect your Stripe or PayPal. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that. Okay, about 30 seconds later, Kajabi generated, it looks like 4 different modules that they would suggest for my particular course based on artificial intelligence and reading my description along with the title. So if you scroll down, it looks like they came up with an introduction to Cash App. That's the first module. And then down here is another module called using Cash App. Third one, Cash App security. And last one is Cash App support. And then also, if you check here underneath the module, if you click this little arrow, it shows you what the section is, adding funds. And it looks like they even fill out a description of that particular module. So this is something I did not write. They pulled this information just based off of the title and the description. So it says, in this lesson, you'll learn how to add funds into your Cash App account. Adding funds is a simple process. So obviously this is not going to be exactly correct. So you'll want to do a proofread and then change it depending on what type of course you have and what the most recent information is. Now, in each one of these sections, you can go ahead and change the title. So this one's called adding funds. So maybe you can go ahead and change it to adding funds to Cash App. And then here you can go ahead and add media. So if you have an audio file that is going to be easier for you to describe the process to your students, you can add that in. You can also add a video, which is kind of cool. So sometimes these, you will need a visual in order for this to work. So you can go ahead and add that in there. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see this section called downloads. So if you have some sort of a work study tool or a PDF, you can go ahead and click there, and then you can upload it from your device, Dropbox. You can go ahead and connect it right through there. And then if you scroll down, the lesson thumbnail right here. So you can go ahead and add an image that might be directly related to whatever that particular lesson is. And then lastly, if you want people to be able to comment on your lesson, you can approve that by visible. You can hide them, or you can go ahead and lock that so that way people cannot leave comments on your lesson. Now, what if Kajabi put together a lesson that just doesn't really apply? You can go ahead and delete this particular section by scrolling all the way down, and then you're going to see this red button here called delete lesson. It's a trash can. Just click on there, and then you're going to get this pop-up that's warning you that once you delete it, it's gone. If that's okay, click on delete. Okay, so as you can see, that particular lesson has now been deleted right here. It no longer appears in this drop-down menu. However, it does not delete the entire course. So if you want to easily look through all of the different modules, you can just scroll up, expand all, and then it's going to open up your course so that we can easily read through it, see which ones you want to go ahead and delete or edit. And you can do the reverse. If you have just so many different lessons or so many different modules, you can go ahead and collapse all, and that way it brings it down into more of a uniform, easy overview. Okay, so depending on the price that you are setting your course at with Kajabi, you can make special offers. So for example, if you're going to do a timed offer, or if you are giving out some sort of a discount on a particular website, like say maybe if you have a Facebook group and those folks get a discount, you can go ahead and create that here under offers. You can say I have 0 offers on this because we just created it together. And then here you can go ahead and click on add new offers. And then here you just make a name for the offer. So Facebook group discount. And then you want to choose which one of your courses. So we just have this one that we're setting up right now. Go ahead and make sure that's checked and then click on this continue button. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set up a discount for that particular course if you want to do so. Okay, so here is the discount you can set up. So down here, you can go ahead and set up the discount on a specific date if you want to do, or restrict access to a specific amount of days. So if you want them to have like a 10-day discount or something like that. And if you scroll down, you can go ahead and customize this offer by setting it up with its discount. So for this one, we put it as Facebook group. So we can do Facebook group course discount. And later on, if you want to go ahead and remove the discount, you can go ahead and change this into draft status. So once all that's set up, go ahead and click on save. Okay, so here we are back in the course. So if you want, you can also set up a certificate right here. Now here in the certificates, this is something that you can have automatically sent out once your student has completed your particular course. So that's pretty cool. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for information on how to create a course in Kajabi, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.